Hi friends, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my Homebody Planner, which is my social media planner, and we're planning for the week of January 20th till the 26th. I am going to be using some different stickers, not Happy Planner stickers. I got these online, and these are little cacti collections, and they're black and white. And they come in a pack with different plants, and I really enjoyed looking through it and looking at it, so I have decided to use that as my whole spread and keep it simple. So I'm going to start off as always with a checklist for my subscribers and followers. So we have YouTube for subscribers, Instagram for followers, and I make 7 lines twice. One goes on one, the other on the other. So let's get started. I'm using my Pilot G2 pen, which is a gel pen, and I think it really works great, and it dries pretty quickly, so very rarely do I have any smudging. It does happen, but not very often. And I'm just gonna write out YouTube, and I'm gonna write out Instagram, so then I can track my peeps, my little peeps. Speaking of which, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you like my videos, and if you are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys doing that. Next up, I'm going to take the colorful boxes, sticker book, and I'm going to cover up some of the labels. So like important and all of this stuff will be covered. To buy will become to do. The next to it will be list of ideas, and then subscribers, and then the dinner plan will become a video plan. And of course, I put a sticker on crooked. That's kind of normal for me. I'm not sure why I can't put them straight, but that seems to be an ongoing thing for me. So okay, and I started with this huge cacti sticker with so many little cactuses in it. However, The colors that I want to keep in the spread did not match, because I think I want to keep it black and white, and then with that very pale green, and those brown pots and the green might be too vibrant for what I'm going for. So I'm going to remove that sticker and save it for another time. It's still beautiful and functional, just not for this spread. I'm just going to place clusters of cacti all over the bottom portion. I don't really use that portion for much. These stickers are so adorable, and I found them on Amazon. They come in a pack of 6 sheets, and I think they're quite amazing. I don't think when I checked they weren't available anymore. I had them for quite a while. I just wasn't sure when I was going to use them. And finally this year, I stopped hoarding stickers and I'm going to use everything. I have a new sticker storage that I repurposed, and now I see how much stuff I really do have, and there's no reason for holding it all back. And as you can see here, sometimes I just take my stickers and I cut it in half to match whatever I need. And I'm just placing the stickers all over the page to decorate it. They're so cute. I can't get over how cute they are. They're really, really adorable. Okay, so the final touches are done, and now it's time to pull out my Colorful Boxes sticker book and place some focus boxes on the days that I'm going to be posting videos. Okay, my friends, that's pretty much it. That's my whole spread. It's very, very simple. I decorate my social media planner, but not that much. It's a very functional spread for me because I do use this quite a bit. And I hope you did enjoy watching this video. And if you did, click the thumbs up for me so other people can see it as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those down below. And if you are subscribed, like I said before, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it so much. And if you're not, please consider doing so. It does help me and it helps my channel to be discovered. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!